Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to work with shapes. So we are going to learn how to draw shapes and also how to save our document. Let's get started. Sometimes you might want to insert a shape in your document. To insert a shape, you have to click on the Insert tab, and in the Illustrations group, we have pictures, clip art, shapes, smart art and charts. We are going to insert a shape, so we click on the shapes. This gives us a lot of different shapes that we can use in our document. So we combine these shapes to draw objects. Let's take for example, we want to draw the Ghana flag. We are going to combine the rectangle shape and the star shape to draw the Ghana flag. So to draw the rectangle shape, we click on the rectangle. When we bring the cursor on the work area, it will change to a plus. This means that we can draw our rectangle. To draw the rectangle, click and drag the cursor, and this will give us the rectangle. Leave the cursor and we have successfully drawn the rectangle. When we come to the menu options, we see that the Format tab has been activated. In the Format tab, we can change the shape that we have drawn by selecting a different shape from this group and drawing new ones. We can also apply the different styles, redesign styles for our shape, or we can change the shape color by selecting the shape fill. So let's select the shape fill and select the red color. So we have changed the color of the rectangle to red. Then we have the shape outline. The shape outline helps us to change the color of our outline or increase the thickness of the line of the outline. We can increase the thickness of the line, and then we can also color the line. Or we can select no outline to delete the borderline. So let's select no outline. So we have successfully drawn our rectangle. Since we are drawing the Ghana flag, we want to draw another rectangle. But we can also duplicate what we have drawn already. We do this by copying and pasting. So we select the rectangle, and on the Home tab we click on Copy. Then we deselect the rectangle and come to the Home tab and select Paste. We have got another rectangle that is similar to the previous one. We can click and drag on it to move it. Then we have to double click on it to activate the Format tab, and then we can change the color to yellow. So let's select the gold color, which is the yellow color. Let's go back to the Home tab and paste again. We have got another duplicate. And this time, let's color this green. So we double click on it, and then we select from the shape fill the green color. So let's move these colors and piece them together to form the Ghana flag. Very good. So we have now pieced these shapes together to form the Ghana flag. Let's go back to the shapes and draw the Ghana flag style. To do that, on the Format tab, you see that the shapes has been displayed here. We go through the shapes and select the 5-point star. So when we click on the 5-point star, we can now click to select our triangle and then go to Insert Shapes and select the 5-point star. Now we can click and drag to draw the 5-point star. After drawing the 5-point star, we can go to the Format tab, and then we can change the color of the star to black. So we go to the fill and select the black star flag. So we have successfully drawn the Ghana flag. But you will notice that these shapes are separated. So if I want to move them together as one shape, I cannot do that. So if I try to move them, I'll only be moving the red or the green or the star. So in order to combine them, we use what is called grouping. So let's learn how to group these shapes. To group the shapes, go to the Home tab and look for the Editing group. In the Editing group, click on Select and then click on Select Object. This one will help us select all these objects as one. When you click on Select Object, you click and drag a rectangle around the shapes. This will highlight all the shapes that we have drawn. Then you right click on the shape and then you select Grouping and then you click on Group. When we group the shapes, they become one shape and we can now move the shapes around. So whenever you draw any object which has multiple shapes, you have to group them for them to become one shape. So let's learn how to save our work. To save our work, we have to go to the Office button and then click on Save As. When we click on Save As, it will give us the Save As dialog box. To save our work on the pen drive, we have to insert the pen drive into the computer. So make sure you have inserted the pen drive on your computer. And then the Save As dialog box, go through the options and look for Computer. Click on Computer and it will take you to the storage device that has been attached. My pen drive name is Osaka, so I double click on it to open the files on the pen drive. Then the file name for this file that I'm saving, let's call it Ghana flag. Then we can click on Save. After saving our work, when you observe the title bar, we have Ghana flag there. This means that we have created a file named Ghana flag and we have saved it on our pen drive. This is where we end the tutorial on shapes. I hope you enjoyed it.